This day is so special and important. It exemplifies the partnerships that are going to be critical to ensure that data, AI work for everyone everywhere. Now, we all know that AI is meant to mean artificial intelligence. Well, today, AI, I hope you will think, means actionable impact.
The move we've had from individual communities that are using data to shape solutions to the momentum we have now to come up with a new architecture for how we think about data. How do we move our capacity and knowledge from a one-to-one to a one-to-many?
Investing in ecosystems will allow us to literally create new solutions that would not have been possible before. And I think that's the opportunity in front of us right now.
Digital technologies can actually help accelerate 70% of the SDG targets, which is quite incredible. We need more data on digital skills from underrepresented groups. We need more data about emerging technologies. And of course, we need more data in places where development matters most.
1% of the world cannot inform the data direction of the 99% of the world. So we need to invest in talent of the underrepresented part of the world.
As a digital transformation minister, I always want to say it's never about the technology, it's about what we can do with it.
We're now seeing AI discoveries and innovations at a clip that we haven't seen before. We need to build relationships, partnerships, ecosystems in order to use those innovations to have the impact in the climate and nature space. And we can't do this just one-off. We have to systematize this engagement between AI and climate.
The output from AI or generative AI needs to be scrutinized for what you're trying to achieve. As long as we have the accuracy, we have the right data, and we're doing all of our homework, I do think we're going to start seeing some amazing solutions.
We can't be choosing between innovation and responsibility and safety. They must go hand in hand.
I have two words that I'd suggest should be guiding our thinking. One of them is accountability, and the other one is agency.
Responsible data use really should empower individuals and the communities, giving them the agency over their data and engaging with communities and involving them in the decision-making process.
Let's build new capacity around data that lives in the space of social change.